Great news for content creators here in Nigeria and Ghana. Facebook monetization is here. I'm currently in Ghana and I just got notified by a friend and also from Facebook that I'm eligible for Facebook monetization, and I'm going to show you how to see whether you're eligible for Facebook monetization, and I'm also going to tell you and show you the requirements you need for Facebook monetization here in Ghana and Nigeria. Stay tuned throughout the end of this video. Like this video, subscribe if you haven't done so, and let's get happening. So I'm in my Facebook page, and the first thing I want to do is access my profiles. What I want to do is just click on this profile button over here, and in the profile button what I want to do is just click on my profile over here. So I'll click on my profile, which will take me to this space here. So this space, so this is my profile. You can see my name, you can see the followers I have, you can see the number of people I'm following and some other stuffs. So before anything, let me tell you about the requirements needed to be able to enroll for this monetization package, whether you're in Ghana and Nigeria. Is you need a minimum of 5,000 followers. 5,000 followers, and surprisingly I hit just 106 more than the requirements, which is crazy, and which is I'm excited for, because I'm currently at 5,106 followers here on Facebook, and it's such a great joy because I didn't even know that I was eligible. But when I came to check, and I end up seeing that I'm eligible for Facebook monetization. So I'm going to show you how to know whether you're ready for that. So the first thing you want to do is you have your page already set up. You have your page set up for Facebook monetization. So you're going to see something like this. You're going to see these three buttons at the down over here. You're going to see add to story. You're going to see advertise and see dashboard. So what you want to do is go to see dashboard. But let me know if you don't have these things on your Facebook profile. It can be maybe you are still using the standard Facebook profile. If you want to convert your current Facebook profile into a Facebook page or something like that, which will enable you to monetize here in Ghana and Nigeria, you let me know. So I'll show you the processes I took, because mine was a standard Facebook profile where I just add friends and we just chat. But when I converted it into a page, I'm now eligible for monetization. So what you want to do is hit the see dashboard button over here. So when you click on see dashboard, it will take you to this page, which is your professional dashboard. And in your professional dashboard, you can see various options like home, insights, creation, engagement, and the most important one, which is monetization. But what you want to do is first scroll down, but having a problem with the internet. Okay, so I fixed my internet problem, and I can see now my home page has fully loaded. So again, after you've clicked the see dashboard here, which is your main profile, you will be taken to this page where you can see your professional dashboard, and under the home tab, all you just want to do is scroll all the way down to where we have these tools where you can see monetization, ad center, profile recommendation, and others. But the most important one is monetization. So we want to click on monetization. You can say if you are eligible, explore ways to earn on Facebook. So we're just going to click on that, and to take us to this page here, you can see they say I'm currently not eligible for Facebook monetization. It isn't because I haven't read the requirement. I've reached the requirement, but I just turned into my professional mode, or I just turned my account into a content creation account. That's why it's still saying not eligible. So if you haven't read the requirements, you're probably going to see the same thing. You're also going to see the ways you can earn on Facebook. So the most important one is the in-stream ads, where ads will be added to your public videos so that you can start monetizing them. So want to go click on the in-stream ads. So under the in-stream ads here, you can see it says it includes ads in your original public videos to start monetizing with in-stream ads here. So it's going to just put ads inside your videos so that when people click on your video and the ad loads, you're going to earn from that. So you want to scroll down all the way to the bottom, and at the bottom you're going to see the eligibility criteria, whether you are eligible for Facebook monetization in Ghana or in Nigeria. For those who haven't read the requirement, you're going to see some bars showing how many followers you have and how many you have left to reach the 5,000 followers. But because I already have that requirement settled, it didn't show up over here. But what I have over here is availability. It says here this tool isn't available to you yet because your account hasn't been in professional mode long enough. We'll let you know when you can get started with this tool. And at the bottom of that, also at the last part, you can see it says if you've recently met all criteria, please allow up to 2 days to get access. So by the time of recording this video, it's currently the 2nd of July 2024, and today itself was the day I turned on my professional mode on my Facebook profile. So that's why I'm still not available for Facebook monetization. So all I've got to do is wait for probably up to 2 days to get access to this feature, which means by 4th of July, when I check my Facebook profile again, I'm supposed to see this the options which says here I'm eligible for Facebook monetization. So this is basically how you're going to know whether you are eligible for Facebook monetization. All you got to do is just move to your profile. Under your profile, if it's your Facebook page, if it's your profile which you converted to the professional mode, you want to click on see dashboard, and under see dashboard you want to scroll up in the home tab to where we have monetization, and under monetization you want to move to in-stream ads, and under in-stream ads, when you scroll all the way down, we are going to see if you are available for Facebook monetization. There are also other ways you can earn by ads on reels. This is also the same if you are the type who make reels, short videos like what we have on TikTok and Facebook shorts, YouTube shorts. Here ads to play in your video, in your reels, and you earn money with that. So that's also another way you can earn. Also from bonuses, where you apply for bonuses, and the more your content is engaged, the more extra money you're going to make. But the main one is the in-stream ad. So they said I should wait for up to 2 days. So it's currently the 2nd of July 2024. By the 4th of July 2024, I'm going to check on my Facebook page, and when I see that I'm finally accepted and eligible, I'm going to make another video. So subscribe to this channel, like this video, so that you get notified when that other video comes, when I hit the requirement mark. So see you next time, and peace out. Bye bye.
Turn up the tempo.